Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to book your INPS appointment online. There are different ways you can book your appointment to skip the queue. You can book your appointment through the INPS.it website. You can also use the INPS mobile app, and today I'll be showing you how to book your appointment with the INPS website and through the INPS mobile app. So sit back and watch the tutorial, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. To access the INPS mobile app, the first thing is to go to Play Store. That's if you're using an Android phone, or you go to your App Store. That's if you're using the Apple phone or iPad, to download the INPS mobile app. So the first thing to do is to download the app. When you're done installing the app, then you open it. Then you log in with your SPID credentials. If you don't know how to create your SPID credentials, how to create your own SPID account, you can watch the video in my description box to know how you can create your SPID account. So you click on Accedi to log in and you enter your SPID credentials. Now that you're logged in, you click on Salva. Then you see the servizi here. You click on the servizi. You're going to scroll down and click Sportelli di Sede to choose the office you want to, the INPS office you want to go, as in the location. You click on Ricerca Sede and you type out the city of your sede INPS. You click on Prenota. So here's a list of services you want them to render, and you just choose the one you want. You can choose servizi veloci, indennità e ammortizzatori sociale, conto assicurativo, pensione, blah blah blah. Then you click on the one you want. Then it's going to bring out these options with authentication or without authentication. If you choose without authentication, that means you have to put your codice fiscale. So just choose con autenticazione. So the green dates are the available dates. So you just choose one of the green dates. Then you go ahead to choose your time. So you can just go ahead to choose any time you want, and after doing that, it's going to ask you to write the reason you want to book an appointment with them. That's the reason you want to see them. So you're just going to write a sentence. Vorrei consegnare un documento, vorrei fare la domanda per la disoccupazione. Just write something simple, and that's all. So to book an appointment on their website, you type www.inps.it. Then you click on Entra in my INPS. Entra in my INPS. Then you log in. There are different ways you can log in, but I'll be logging in with my SPID. So after that, I click on Comunica con INPS. You click on it and you'll click on Prenota accesso in sede. Richiedi una nuova prenotazione. Click on it. So it's going to give you the details of the INPS office close to your actual location, but you can change the location. That's if you want to visit another INPS office. Then you go ahead to choose the service you want. So as you can see, the green dates indicates the available dates, and you can go ahead and choose any one of them. You click on any one of the green dates, and you can as well choose the one of the time given to you. So you choose the time that is more suitable for you. So in the modalità erogazione del servizio, you choose accesso in sede. After doing that, you have to write a reason you want to visit their office. Just type out a sentence. Vorrei consegnare un documento, vorrei chiedere delle informazioni. And when you're done, you tick on the little box and you confirm your appointment. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly subscribe to this channel for more videos. Bye. Thank you.